Welcome to our channel. If you want to become a beta tester and get free access to new features and services, follow these step-by-step instructions to join testing programs and contribute to product development. Step 1. Visit the official website of the service or product you're interested in testing. Look for sections labeled Beta Program, Early Access, or Join Testing. Step 2. Read the requirements and expectations for beta testers carefully. Companies often look for active users who can provide detailed feedback on bugs and user experience. Step 3. Fill out the beta tester application form with accurate information about your device specifications, usage patterns, and testing experience if applicable. Step 4. Explain your motivation for joining the beta program and how you plan to contribute meaningful feedback. Be honest and enthusiastic in your response. Step 5. Submit your application and wait for approval. Some programs accept testers immediately, while others review applications and send invitations via email. Step 6. Once accepted, download the beta version of the software or access the service through the provided link or credentials sent to your email. Step 7. Use the beta features regularly and report any issues, bugs, or suggestions through the designated feedback channels, such as forums, surveys, or in-app reporting tools. Step 8. Follow the beta program guidelines and respect any non-disclosure agreements to maintain your status as a trusted tester. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.